I'm Ronnie with Alina Group, and yes, another Allied installation. Yes, Heather, Stephanie, and Kathleen. Another Allied. Thank you.
Turn it off.
Yeah. And this is an Allied 3-ton heat pump. Quite the machine. And this is an attic installation. We have our lead installer, Matt, and Arturo. And we're going to be hoisting this Allied air handler up here. And we're getting to work now. And we are complete up here with our attic installation. And we're going to put this cover on and start pumping it down. And this is Ronnie with Alina Group again, and I also want to thank Tropic Supply for recognizing Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And we are complete with our Allied installation. And I want to thank everyone at T23, Rated Manager. You're awesome, great customer service. This Allied unit is so dependable, reliable. We've had no issues with them, and we put a lot in this summer. And we're still going strong. I also want to thank Heather, Kathleen, and Stephanie up at corporate. Thank you for your support, and have a great day, everyone. See you next time.